I have absolutely no idea what football boots are in here. A mystery pair of football boots. Decided to do it. However, it didn't really go as planned, as you can probably see by this sticker here. So on the website it has a price, I think it was $200, and it gives you what the boots could be up to. It says up to $250. So this cost me $200, which I think is about £145. However, when they arrived in the UK, I had to pay a customs fee, which was about £80. So I ended up paying £240, which is just extremely expensive, and I don't think the boots in here are going to be worth it. But I've got no idea what they are, so I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous to see what pair it is. But let's open them up. So here we go. Okay, well, first wrapper's off. Here we go. Alright, the box says, "It's your lucky day." It doesn't give anything away on the label. It says mystery replaceable shoes. Got them, so I paid $230 plus the import fees. So what's that, $320? Oh god, I'm very nervous. These are size UK 10. I selected my size, which you could do. Are these going to be any good? Let's open them up. Ah, well, it's not very good. So, comes with the Predator bag, as you can see here, and it is the old Predator laceless version. I think this is the Predator Accuracy, if I remember correctly. That is very disappointing. So it does come with the shoehorn as well, which they provide, and then this is what I've got. I paid $320 for these because of the import fees. Oh, that is terrible. So just looking them up online, you can buy them brand new, £89, which is basically $130, and I paid $320 for the mystery box. If you're in the UK, don't do the mystery box, that's my opinion. It just doesn't work out. So now I have this pair for way overpriced, and I don't even like this pair. Brilliant. But let's take a closer look anyway. So on the inside you have this high definition grip, which actually works very well. It's incredibly grippy, but I actually just prefer how the new Predators look. There's no point getting an old Predator now if it looks like this, when you've got the 25 and the 24 pair, which just look so much better. I'm also not a massive fan of the laceless Predator. I like the lockdown of a laced boot, and this just doesn't provide it. The colorway isn't too bad, white, black, and kind of Volt yellow grey. You can tell I'm just really annoyed and frustrated. I remembered I've actually also selected the AG sole plate. So this is the artificial ground sole plate. So here you can see a large amount of studs spaced very closely together, just to help you out and get more grip on the 3G surface. Not really sure what to do with these now. I've paid way too much for them. They don't go for much. Yeah. I'm very disappointed. On the back of the heel, you do have the Volt yellow Adidas logo on that dark grey heel cup, which is rock solid to protect your heel. It does have a very high heel collar at the back, which actually isn't my favourite thing. It really just rubs against my Achilles. I haven't actually worn the Predator Accuracy laceless before, so I will actually maybe try these out and see if I like them on feet. Maybe it will make me feel a little bit better. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here because it's just been a terrible disappointment. But let me know down below what you think of this mystery box and this boot. For me, wasn't worth it.